If you're a busy student and love pasta, you have to try this spinach pesto macaroni and cheese recipe. You're going to need 1 cup of uncooked macaroni, 1 tablespoon of butter, 1 tablespoon of flour, 1 cup of milk, a 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese, 2 tablespoons of basil pesto, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, black pepper to taste, and about 115 grams of fresh or frozen spinach. I actually somehow forgot to take my spinach out, but I'll be telling you when to add it in, so hopefully you don't make the same mistake. Bring some salted water to a boil on the stovetop and cook your pasta for 7 to 10 minutes. Once it's finished, pour it into a strainer and leave it aside for now. With the same pot, melt your butter over medium heat. Stir in the flour until it makes a smooth paste, and then let it cook for about a minute longer as you continue to stir. Slowly add in, my pot got a little too hot, so I'm going to turn the stove down a little bit. But I've added my milk, and now I'm going to stir until everything is smooth. I added in my milk in small batches to avoid ending up with lumps. Stir in your Parmesan cheese and pesto, then season your sauce with salt and black pepper. This is when you would add your spinach. If it's frozen, you'll want to make sure it's thawed and you've squeezed out the extra water. If it's fresh, you can chop it up and throw it in as is. Turn off your stove and pour your pasta into the pot of sauce. Stir until the pasta is coated and serve topped with a bit of extra Parmesan cheese. Let us know if you try this one out and if you manage to one-up me at remembering the spinach. Enjoy!